Hi guys, I'm Rosalind, and today we're going to be checking out the 22-liter Ghost Medium Shock Cutout Saddlebags from Vikingbags. If you've been looking for a clean set of bags that fit that sporty look without making your bike bulky, these might be exactly what you need. First impressions, these have a super sleek, low-profile look. They sit close to the bike for a really clean setup, and they have a shock cutout design that fits my Iron 1200 way better than those generic saddlebags. Honestly, I think these fit the vibe of the Iron 1200 perfectly. They've got that blacked out look that matches the aggressive style of the bike, and they don't stick out awkwardly like some touring bags do. One thing I immediately noticed is the size. These are 22-liter bags, which means you get a surprising amount of storage without ruining the look of your bike. You've definitely got enough room for day trips, riding gear, tools, extra clothes, or whatever else you carry on your rides. These have quick release. They are also key lockable, which is a huge plus. They've got reinforced back panels for strength. They're weather resistant Viking leather, and they're designed to keep their shape whenever they're fully loaded. Now price-wise, these usually sit around the low to mid 300 range for the pair, which puts them in a solid middle ground, but definitely more affordable than a lot of premium hard bag setups. Another thing is, these come with pre-drilled mounting hose, and the mounting hardware is included, so installation should be pretty straightforward. They are also compatible with stock blinkers, which saves you a lot of extra hassle, and no modification to your bike is required. So these have a lot of storage, but they're also proportional to be on a Sportster. So overall, clean fit for the Iron 1200, great storage capacity, lockable, weather resistant, easy mounting, and keeps that sporty look. So whether you're building a daily rider or just looking for more storage without sacrificing style, these are definitely worth checking out at vikingbags.com.